Have you been searching for the perfect pickup truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Ford Ranger Lariat Tremor in Cactus Gray. With pre-collision assist, lane keep assist, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, tow package, heated front seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 44,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start, 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D7995.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.